Oh, it's filming. Okay, it's actually filming. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Precious. Flip, speak like a okay, this is Precious. For all those who don't know me, welcome back to my channel. For all those who know me, welcome back, and thanks for supporting your sister. Yeah, girl, I see ya over there. I see ya. Okay, anyways guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. I am going to do this eye look for you today. I posted a video last week with highlight and contour, and basically people asked me how I did the eye, so I've decided to show you how I did the eye. So if you don't know how I do my highlight and contour, first watch that video and then come and watch this one, because it's like a two-step thing. Like, you can't watch this one without watching the first one, so go back and watch the first one, then come to this one. Simple. Okay? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video because I did it with all my heart. Okay, and this is not an easy video. Like, you have to keep practicing and practicing and practicing until it's perfect, guys. Makeup is art. You just don't wake up and, like, you know, wake up, look for what's it called, the pencil thing you use. You don't wake up and look for eyeliner and freaking just draw. It's art. You have to practice. You need a steady hand. Like, you get what I mean? You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna teach you what my hand can do. Like, yeah, you guys are welcome. You can thank me later when you're getting, like, you know, 200 likes, 300 likes, 400 likes on your Instagram. Thank me later. Okay guys, let's get to it. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Like, honestly, just subscribe. It doesn't take 2 minutes. Like, just press the subscribe button. You see, I said it 3 times. Press the okay, press that subscription button. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.
Grips anyways, from way back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never ran away. Even when I'm away. OT, it's never much left when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold of me. I need a one dance. Got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold of me. Baby, I like your style. Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We've got no time. That's why I need a one dance. Got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold of me. I need a one dance. Got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold of me. Grips anyways. Where do you wanna Grips anyways, from way back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not said, but I never ran away. Even when I'm away. OT, OT. There's never much left when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray, I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold of me. I need a one dance. Got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold of me. Baby, I like your style. Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We've got no time. That's why I need a one dance. Got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold of me. I need a one dance. Got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold of me. Grips anyways, from way back way. You know